What's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, make sure you subscribe and join the crew and hit the bell icon and stay locked in for more videos just like this. Without any more talking, what's inside of the box? So if that sounds like fun to you, make sure you sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and stay locked in right now. But we're gonna go ahead and take a look at this in some more detail. Stay locked in. Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy Serrano. Today we're gonna take a look at this product right here called the Letsfit True Wireless Stereo Earbuds T13. So on this side of the box, you're gonna see that it has the business name, and the business name is AMZ Lab. Now the business address is here as well. It says it's in Essen. I'm not sure what that is. Then you're getting the logo at the top. Now you are getting the transparency app, which will basically let you know and ensure the authenticity of this product. That's a nice word, authenticity. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we have in the box right now and take a look at the packaging. So we do have the Letsfit T13s right here. So right here you can see that we are getting a decent packaging. This is actually a nice packaging right here. So we're gonna go ahead and open up the Letsfit, and you can see we got a substantial weight on here with Type-C charging. So that's cool because you can actually charge this with the Type-C wall adapter. And right here you can see that it is adaptable for the Type-C. So when you plug it in, it's going to automatically connect to my wall brick, and you can see right here that the LED lights show that it's charging. And this case has a nice texture on it. Let me bring that up close, and you can see it has it mimics the leather texture pretty much. Let's just go ahead and look at the earbuds. So now that we got the earbuds open, you can see the door pops right open. You can see the hood is now open. And let's see if we could open it with one hand. Okay, you can open it with one hand. You can see right here it has the model T13 inside. Okay, they got that AirPods ergonomic ear tip shape. You can see that it's an oval, so it's going to be more likely to stay in your ear versus a circular design. Okay, so I only see right here is the one sound chamber. There's no sound chambers on the body. This is just a magnet, so all the sound is coming out of that one piece. So let's take off this tape so we could put them in the charging case and see what that looks like. So this one says right on it, and this says left on it. They fit into the case really nicely. Let me show you how that looks. And now let's do the shake test. You can see that it turns red. Okay, so that's really strong. It is not coming out for the Letsfit. So let's go ahead and flip the camera around and try these on. Okay guys, so I'm really liking the shape and the look of this. It almost mimics leather, and the logo is right there, and it fits really nice in the hand, so it has a nice ergonomic shape. I'm actually liking the case. It doesn't feel too cheap to me, but it's not real leather, so just keep that in mind. Now we're gonna go ahead and put on the Bluetooth pairing option on my device. So all we have to do is pop open the case. We do need two hands to do this, and we're gonna go ahead and pop the left one in, and it said power on. Now let's try the right one. I heard a beep. Okay, so that's the earbuds say pairing right now. So it says connected, and they're at 90% right now, but I almost forgot we have more stuff in the box. So inside of the box we're also greeted with these ear tips as well, so you get some extra ones here. You're also getting your charging cable, and the charging cable is Type-C. So let me try that right now. This sounds really loud actually. Okay, yeah, it's still playing while I'm listening to the left one. The right one's charging in the case. And they're fitting in my ear really well. I like the earbuds. Let me try the left one now. The music didn't stop, it's still playing, so you can listen to the music individually as well. So I think that's cool. See. So you can skip the track by tapping it twice. I like the sound on these for $20. I'm probably gonna definitely keep these, and I think that I'll definitely recommend them. But let me just listen to the bass first on some other songs. But so far it sounds really good. You can get your Google Assistant by triple tapping it right here. So that brought up the Google Assistant. And there's no volume controls. Let's put it a little bit further up. So far, I do like that it has 8x5. That means that you can use these in the rain as well. And honestly, it's going to be definitely pretty cool, because if you want to use these in the rain, you can. So let's just watch a video and just see if there's any mismatching on the words or anything, if I'm going to get any delay on the words. Alright, so the words are literally like 0.3 seconds behind, which is barely, you could barely detect that to the naked eye, which technically means that there's pretty much no lag on these when you're watching YouTube. So honestly, these are definitely a good pair of earbuds for $20, and I would definitely recommend the Letsfit earbuds right here. You should definitely check these out for $20. I will leave a link down below. But let's just put these back in the case, and I'm gonna jam out to some more music. But shout out to Mario for recommending these. I definitely think these are awesome, and the case is actually nice and snug and secure right here. And the shake test determines that these won't fall out whatsoever, so you don't have to worry about losing these either. So if this looks like something that's interesting to you, check the links down below. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and good night. And I'll check you guys later. And I'll check you guys on the next video as well. So I'll see you there. Just make sure you click the next video. Peace.